Good morning children, have a nice day. Welcome to social class standard 7th Geography Unit 3 Natural Hazards Understanding of Disaster Management in Practice. Every day almost all the newspapers and television news channels carry reports on natural hazards and disasters that occurred in several parts of the world. Neither all the hazards nor all the disasters can be preventable, but the destruction can be minimized. For better understanding, we must know what is natural hazard, what is disaster, what is disaster management, and so on. Let us learn about some important terminologies along with disaster management techniques. Hazard. Generally, a hazard is a dangerous phenomenon, substance, human activity, or condition that may cause loss of life, injury, health impacts, property damage, loss of livelihood, services, social and economic disruption, or environment damage. Natural hazards are natural phenomena that might have negative impact on human or the environment. Natural hazards are classified into broad categories: geophysical and biological. Disaster. A disaster can be generally defined as a serious disruption in the society causing widespread material, economic, social, or environmental losses which executed the ability of the affected society to cope using its own resources. Disaster impacts may include loss of life, injury, disease, and other negative effects on human physical, mental, and social well being. Together with damage to property, destruction of assets, loss of services, social and economic disruption, and environmental degradation. Hazards are termed as disasters when they cause widespread destruction of property and human lives. Okay, types of disaster: natural disaster, and another one man-made disaster. Natural disaster that sources beneath the earth's surface, on the earth's surface, meteorological, hydrological, and health. So events: earthquake, tsunami and volcanic eruption, landslides, avalanches, windstorm, tornadoes, hailstones and floods, and epidemics. Man-made disasters: socio-technical and warfare. Technological: transportation disaster, the structural collapse and production failures, national and international level. So next discuss the topic natural disaster. Earthquake. You know it's a very familiar one children. A sudden movement or the trembling of the earth crust is called as earthquake. The movement of tectonic plates, the mass vasting landslide, surface fault, etc. causes earthquake. Efforts. Due to strong earthquake, loss of limbs, building, roads, bridges and dams are damaged. Earthquake, the cause of floods, tsunami, landslide, fires, the breakdown of the water supply and electrical lines. It may changes occurs of the river too. The recent hazard in India and Tamil Nadu. On 2nd to 3rd May 2018, the high velocity dust the storm swept across the parts of North India and more than 125 people died and over 200 were injured. In Uttar Pradesh, 43 died in the city of Agra and about 30 died. Other parts of the state. In neighborhood of Rajasthan state, 35 people died and over 200 were injured. The down on more than 8,000 electricity poles and uprooted hundreds of trees. After 2004, the tsunami, the cyclone, it's a very familiar cyclone. Gaja is the worst natural disaster to hit Tamil Nadu. It left trail of destructions in several coastal districts and took to toll on agriculture agriculture to serious extent. Tsunami. When earthquake jots the ocean floor, the sudden dislocation of the seabed occurs and resulting displacement of water can produce one or more huge destructive waves, known collectively as a tsunami. The sea waves rise to several the meters and may reach the coast within a few minutes. Efforts it causes flooding and disrupt transportation, power communication and water supply. Do you know the word tsunami is derived from Japanese word shu means harbor and nami means waves, flood. Sudden overflow of water in a large amount caused due to heavy rainfall. Cyclone, melting of snow, tsunami or a dam burst. Effect, loss of life and property, displacement of people, the spread of contagious industries such as cholera and malaria, etc. Cyclone, a low pressure area which is encircled by high pressure wind is called a cyclone. Efforts of the cyclone. The main efforts of the tropical cyclone include heavy rain, the strong wind, large storm, surge near landfall and tornadoes. Severe cyclonic and the storm Gaja crossed the coast of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry around Vedaranyam and Nagapattinam in the early hours of November 10, 2018, Friday with wind speed gusting of around 120. The reported in the Indian Meteorologist Department. Thank you.